Hello students. Today I would like to show you how to on the whiteboard using a text box in order to text. First you are going to click on the hand on the right hand side of your screen, and then you see the letter T. Click on the letter T. Once you click on the letter T, you will see it appear on your whiteboard. And you need to use your two fingers. So you are going to take your left pointer finger and you are going to put it down on your touch pad. Put it down on the lower left-hand corner of your touch pad, and then with your right hand, your right pointer finger, you are going to draw a line down from the top left-hand corner to the bottom right-hand corner. And you will see as you do that, a rectangle is drawn on the whiteboard. Then put your finger up, don't click anything, and start typing, for example, your name. And you see that I wrote my name and it came in the color green. Maybe I would like to change that color, so I click on the color. It could be the red color, and then once I click on that, I can see that there are many different colors. I am choosing the color blue, and I have changed the color of my name to blue. I can also click on the letters, and I can make the letters bigger, or I can click on them and make them smaller. Well, I think I'm going to make them bigger again. So I will click back on the largest letter. And now, if I don't like that, I can click on the garbage can and it will disappear. And I need to start over on the letter T. And then using my two fingers, my left one to hold down and my right one to draw that line across. So there you go. And that is how you write on the whiteboard. Thank you.